Okay, now I'll teach you how to install the rotary print device to print the bottle by the UV printer. So first we put the printing device on the table and we fasten the screw. Two screw at left side here, 1, 2, to the hole here have a screw hole inside, and must be sure the big hole at the outside, and the screw inside will not over. And also install the left side 2 screw to the machine, 1, 2 screw to fasten it, and also fasten another 2 screw here and here to lock the rear, up down rear. And also we can loosen the screw to adjust the gap, the distance between each, and put at the middle of the bottle to be sure the 3 gear can match with the size with good position. And then we fasten the screw here. And put the bottle on the top of the gear. And then we go to the software to move up. We can go software to move up the table. But right now we must move a little bit by a little bit, cannot too fast, because the upper limit sensor is not working when you print the rotary printing media. So just we move up from the software by move up little by little bit, 3 seconds by 3 seconds to move up. And here we must pay more attention to this gap. This metal cannot over this aluminum parts. We just move little bit by little bit. Then move little bit. Three seconds by 3 seconds. Here, this gap must keep the distance between the metal, these 2 metal, within 2 millimeters, or it will be hit the metal. A little bit more. Okay, so keep the gap like this, with a little bit about 2 to 3 millimeters. Please must be careful. If this metal move over the position, so the table still moving up. So it will be damage the table and the motor, up down motor. So this is very important. Must pay more attention to the up down motion, or will be hit. Then we push down the emergency button and we pull the carriage out of home position, and we check the gap between the printing head and the mirror. Keep it at 3 to 5 millimeters, like this gap. Don't too big or will be hit printing head, and don't be the gap too big. If the gap too big, the printing cord is very no good. If the gap too small, it will easily scratch the printing head. So check the gap is at safety 3 to 5 millimeters, and not scratch the bottle. Then we release the emergency button and move the carriage back to home position. Then we go to the software to do some setting for print. So before we print the rotary print device, we must take out the varnish print head, because if we print on the bottle is bent, we can only print on the top and rotate it to print. So when doing printing, the varnish print head will not working. It's not print. So we need to close the varnish printing jet ink. And also if we print the bottle, the UV light will be shining to the surface of the bottle, and the light will be bent back to curing the varnish print head to cause the varnish print head clog. So we must take out the varnish print head and then print the bottle. After we take out the varnish print head and be sure the gap between the media and print head is safety, then we go to the software to the setting. First, we must, if we print on the bottle, we must click on the round specific function, and we need to close the choose by button. Don't choose the last one, just only the button top like this. And here also go to the setting. Go to the maintain and nozzle adjust, and here automatically choose 1/4 for the nozzle. So if your media the bottle with bigger size, so we can choose more nozzle to jet ink. So if your bottle the size is small, so you need to choose the less nozzle to print the ink with better quality. Normally we recommended by 1/4 nozzle print like this. And also we go to the calibration, and we need to be sure that the varnish, the first line is all kept by 0 without any parameter. Then we print, and also before print we must be sure the round size of the bottle, the size is same as the hairs of the job size. Then we print. So some important key feature is, first we must be sure the flatbed table up will not over the. First it must be sure the gap between the two metal have enough space, about 2 to 3 millimeter, and the gap between the print head and the media also 3 to 5 millimeter, and also take out the varnish print head to prevent clog by the strong UV light. And then the size of the round size of the medium must the same as the head, or smaller than the head of the printing job. So this is the printing procedure for print the rotary printing device. Thank you.